Why does mold occur around some air vents? Well, it's usually condensation, and we see some water here, and this is from condensation, but what is causing the condensation here? So this is actually in a garage, and you're not allowed by building codes to have a return air vent in a garage because the garage air is considered separate from the homes. You know, carbon monoxide, if a car or a motor or an engine or something was running in here, carbon monoxide could get sucked into the home, which would be unsafe. Gas fumes, particulates, off-gassing, anything like that. Building codes don't let you have a return air vent in the garage. They don't let you have a supply vent typically either, but it's very, very common to find in this area, especially, in older homes like this. So when you don't have a return air vent, but you do have a supply vent, there's an imbalance of pressure. You've got air coming into an area, but there's nowhere for it to go. In the rest of the home, you'll have air coming in through vents and then going back into the return. Kind of creates a loop or a circuit, and you need that to effectively cool or heat an area. So here in summer, where air is coming into this garage, but it can't effectively go back in, this garage will never be cool. It will always be hotter than the rest of the home. Might be a little bit cooler than the outside, but it'll always be pretty warm. And when you have this warm garage and this cold air at the ducts, you have a big temperature difference, which increases the chance of condensation occurring. Now, condensation occurs at what we call the dew point. That's the point that is determined by the temperature of the air and the humidity of the air. And there's a formula for that, or a meter will tell you that. It's not really relevant, though. Anytime you have a big extreme in differences of temperatures, like a really cold vent in a warm garage, you're probably going to get some condensation. And yes, this vent is closed, and that's probably contributing to it, but even if it was open, this probably would still be happening.